Let's talk about the 5D BIM. What is the 5D or the fifth dimension in the building information modeling? The 5D building information modeling is an advanced extension of the traditional 3D BIM model, as we said with the 4D dimension. The 5D incorporates the time and cost related data, so you can't add just the cost related without adding the time. That's why the 5D or the fifth dimension comes after the 4D, or the fifth dimension is related to the cost or the budget after adding the time dimension to your project. Because the cost, not just a material cost, it's also a labor cost or a construction sequencing cost. So first you need to add the construction sequence and add the cost for it, after knowing how many days or how many weeks it takes you to deliver a certain stage of the project or a certain phase of your project. In simpler terms, the 5D adds the fourth and fifth dimensions, as I've said and I've explained a little while ago. And this integration allows for more a holistic view of the project, enabling all the stakeholders to make informed decisions at every stage of the project development.